takes solo lead in the standings with a twice-to-beat advantage. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Jong, after a slow start, how did you talk to your team and what did you focus on to turn things around that you just held on to throughout the match?
Wala, di nga, they're the great defensive team. We talked about that, and we know that they thrive on their defense. So, our which we didn't do well at the start, we know we turned the ball over a lot. I think we turned the ball over 10 times the first quarter. Yun yung doon, and we had to deal with their pressure defense. And we weren't able to do that. Mabuti na lang, we kept our composure and poise, and we came back. We were able to get back into the game. So yun yung focus, which we didn't do in the first quarter. Pero yun, naka-recover naman sila. So, kayo naman, nanalo naman.
Thank you, Coach Jong. Robert, sabi nila dito, Haliberto daw. Paano mo nakitang mag-ambag sa kanilang mga paraan ang teammates mo para mabawasan yung advantages at yung strengths ng Magnolia ngayong gabi?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach. Sa mga laro ko, ako yung nag-turnover ata. 5, 7 nga ako. I have to take care of the ball. Pero yun nga, sabi ni Coach, galing lang dumepensa. Championship contender yung Magnolia every conference eh. So, dahil mga gwardiya nila, ibang klase yung pressure. So, yun nga, kaya nga yung kagandahan ng team namin eh. We're a team. So, kung masama yung laro ko, nagpipick up yung iba. So, credit dun sa second group namin. Pumasok si Polly, pumasok si Kevin. Ang ganda ng energy. Si Matt pumasok. And then yun. Nagkakumpiyansa kami. Yung defensive game plan namin, sinunod namin. And then, yun, ganda ng pasahan namin. So, everybody had open shots. Ang ganda ng team coordination namin. Sana tuloy-tuloy namin to. So, credit talaga sa teammates ko. Ang ganda ng nilaro nila lahat.